What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video I will show you two main news that are extremely important in my opinion, because we have another evidence that FINRA and other authorities probably made some illegal actions. And let's start with the main news. I think for now a lot of you already know that MMTLP ticker was deleted, and we can find this information on official FINRA website. And as you can see, we can find the D1 code on metamaterial ticker symbol, MMTLP ticker symbol, and the date is December 13th. So, I have to say that previously I made a lot of videos on this page, and we had only two filings right here of U3 code, and right now they made this retrospectively, and this file was backdated. So it is another evidence that FINRA acts as some kind of fraudulent company, because they shouldn't do so, because it is a violation of their own rules. And let me show you the Roza Tawil reaction on this news. Let me quote you this. They definitely did it because of my last filing, where I said they never deleted. They probably read that this week, and their attorney told them to file it right this second, because he lied in his motion to dismiss. News agencies, this is a clear monopoly and self-interest. And let me show you that on the latest response to motion to dismiss, Roza Tawil wrote on page 8 this. The defendant claims that plaintiff claims are moot. However, MMTLP has not been deleted, as there has not yet been a D1 issuance to delete the symbol. The defendant obfuscates as to the meaning of the deletion and provides false information regarding the status of the symbol. And this document was made, let me show you at the very beginning, it was made on February the 8th. And it is an official document that was written by Roza Tawil, and that is already in the court. And definitely this is another evidence of the fraudulent activity of FINRA. And you might wonder why they chose the December 13th date. And it is extremely important, because previously they filed another document, and it was made on December the 9th, and it says right here: the trading and quoting halt will end concurrent with the deletion of this symbol, effective Tuesday, December 13. And this document also was made by FINRA, and this document is on the FINRA official website right now, as you can see on this string. And because of this, in my opinion, they have no way to go out from this situation, rather than to solve this problem in favor of retail shareholders. And in my opinion, it is a very good sign and a very good step towards our win in this battle. So, let me show you another document that was filed by NextBridge Hydrocarbons, and it is their statement regarding its spin-off. And let me quote you this. NextBridge Hydrocarbons, a private oil and gas exploration and production company with interests in Texas and Oklahoma, today provided the below summary in connection with its spin-off on December 14th from Metamaterials to address certain inquiries from our shareholders. And let me quote you some details right here. They have two bullets where they mentioned about the NextBridge Hydrocarbon company, that this company will not be publicly traded. And this is right here. The company's common stock is not and will not be publicly traded, and will not be eligible for electronic transfer through the depository trust company, book entry system, or any other established clearing corporation. And another bullet is right here. There is currently no public market for our common stock, and there is no current expectation for a public market to develop for the common stock. And in my opinion, it is extremely important that previously the MMTLP share was made publicly tradable, and it is still the gray area how it was made and by whom it was made. And definitely this is another way how we can prove the illegal activity that was made with the silence of FINRA and SEC. And let me quote you further. Right here, the sub-bullet is following. At the time of the spin-off, Meta distributed 165.4 million shares of outstanding shares of the company's common stock held by it on pro-rata basis to holders of Meta Materials Series A non-voting preferred stock. Each share of Meta's Series A non-voting preferred stock outstanding as of close of business on December 12, 2022, the record date for the spin-off, entitled its holder to receive one share of the company's common stock. So, in my opinion, this official document was published right after FINRA published this halt code of D1, that this symbol was deleted. Because in case if this ticker symbol was still available on the market or wasn't deleted, definitely they cannot state it, the NextBridge Hydrocarbons couldn't state it that they made this spin-off successfully, because we cannot have two ticker symbols at the same time because of its nature. So let me show you this information. Right here, this bullet describes what is the agent, what is their transfer agent and its contact information. And here we have some interesting detail. We recognize that some of our shareholders who owned Meta's Series A non-voting preferred stock prior to the spin-off might have been affected by FINRA's halting of the trading in that stock while the company was still wholly owned and controlled by Meta. The current board and officers of the company have no information from FINRA regarding the trading halt other than the information in the public notice published by FINRA announcing the trading halt. Further, FINRA did not provide any advance notice to the company or Meta prior to its initiating the trading halt. While we were not involved in the trading halt, we certainly emphasize with anyone adversely affected by the trading halt and are assessing the matter. And this bullet shows that NextBridge Hydrocarbons wasn't involved, and NextBridge Hydrocarbons C executives wasn't involved in this illegal activity. They basically didn't know about the halt. They didn't know at the very beginning of December what will be the next step and how the actual spin-off will be managed. And let me show you the reaction from Roza Tawil. Right here on her official Twitter account you can find this tweet that she wrote 9 hours ago, and she wrote, "I think this is great. They followed their process and we know they did it timely. They have assured they have no intention to go public. They were not given any notice of the halt. They have no knowledge of why halted. They cannot ascertain shareholders and it's in black and white." And in my opinion, with this tweet, Roza says that the real companies and the real authorities who are responsible for this illegal activity are the FINRA and SEC and probably some hedge funds. And definitely, the main conclusion is that we have to wait the judge's decision. And in my opinion, this case will be pushed to the court and we will see the hearings in the court, and there probably we will find some necessary information. What should we expect and what should we do with this illegal activity and how we can handle this problem. So I think that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium